Today in front of me I have Blackview A90 smartphone, and in today's video we would like to show how you can set Opera as your default browser on this device. So the first way to do that is to open up the Settings app. Here open the Apps and Notifications category. At the Apps and Notifications page, go for the default apps section. Here choose Browser app, and in here just tap on Opera, therefore selecting it as your default browser. The next way to do to set Opera as the default browser is to do it directly from the app. So let's go ahead and open the Opera. In here, tap on this avatar at the bottom right corner of your display. Open up the settings. Next, scroll down and find the default browser option. Tap on it, click on next, select Opera as we did from the settings, and choose to set it as default. And that will also mean that you have successfully made Opera your default app for browsing on this particular smartphone. Alright, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.